Finding the best cheap 3D printers means unlocking creativity without overspending. Imagine turning your ideas into reality with a printer that fits your budget yet gives you impressive results. These affordable choices bring innovation within reach, making it easier for beginners and hobbyists to explore the world of 3D printing while saving money and enjoying reliable performance. Number 1. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D Printer is built for creators who want to move beyond ordinary printing and experience speed, precision, and freedom in every project. This powerful machine combines advanced engineering with user-focused design, giving you the confidence to bring any vision to life without hesitation. From the very first use, you can feel the difference in performance, with every layer forming consistently and every detail reflecting clarity. Its speed allows you to complete complex projects in far less time while maintaining impressive accuracy. Whether you are producing prototypes, artistic models, or practical household tools, it delivers results that feel professional and reliable. The nozzle and structure are designed to handle a wide range of materials, so you can expand your creativity without worrying about limits. This gives makers the chance to try new designs and experiment with textures that stand out. The build volume gives enough space for both small and medium projects, offering versatility for everyday use as well as more ambitious creations. For professionals, it helps cut down production time, and for hobbyists, it opens up a world where imagination meets real results. With its modern setup, it becomes more than just a printer, it becomes a partner in your creative journey. Choosing the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D Printer means investing in a tool that respects your ideas, saves valuable time, and brings unmatched excitement to the process of making. It transforms simple printing into an inspiring experience, ensuring every design feels rewarding from start to finish. Number 2. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3S1 Pro offers a printing experience that makes every project feel effortless and rewarding. Built to inspire creativity, this 3D printer provides the kind of stability and consistency that helps transform simple ideas into high-quality models. With its carefully designed system, it allows users to explore complex shapes and details without unnecessary challenges. Its structure is designed to deliver accuracy while handling faster production, which makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced makers who want reliable results. The direct extrusion system allows smoother performance across different filaments, giving you the flexibility to experiment with designs that feel unique and personal. This opens the door to projects that are not only functional but also carry a professional finish. The print volume ensures plenty of room for larger builds while maintaining steady precision for smaller creations. Every layer comes together in a way that enhances the overall finish, giving a sense of satisfaction with each completed piece. The design supports long-term use, making it a dependable choice for hobbyists, students, and even small businesses. What makes the Creality Ender 3S1 Pro stand out is how it blends convenience with advanced capability, allowing you to focus more on imagination and less on technical barriers. It becomes more than a tool, it becomes part of your creative process, turning your vision into something tangible. With this printer, you can feel confident knowing that your work will carry the quality and detail you want every single time. Number 3. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer brings a sense of freedom to anyone who enjoys creating. Its thoughtful engineering allows users to experience reliable performance while exploring ideas that feel limitless. The large build area encourages bigger projects while still maintaining smooth, accurate details on every layer, giving each model the finish that makes it feel truly complete. Speed is one of the strongest qualities of this printer, designed to save time without sacrificing quality. The well-balanced system ensures consistency throughout the process, which means that every print carries the same level of precision from start to finish. Whether you are designing practical items for everyday use or unique artistic pieces, it gives the confidence that the outcome will meet expectations. The direct drive setup enhances versatility, opening the possibility of working with different materials while maintaining a steady workflow. Combined with dependable leveling technology, it minimizes effort during preparation, allowing more focus on creativity instead of adjustments. This helps turn printing into a smoother experience for beginners while still delivering the control advanced makers appreciate. The durability and thoughtful design make it suitable not only for hobbyists but also for classrooms, workshops, or small businesses looking for efficiency in production. It feels like more than just a machine, it becomes a partner in turning visions into reality. With every print, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus reinforces why it is trusted by creators who want both speed and precision in their work. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer offers a perfect balance of innovation, creativity, and simplicity that feels welcoming to both new and experienced makers. Its compact form does not limit its capability, instead, it inspires you to imagine more while enjoying a printing experience that feels effortless and precise. The thoughtful design encourages confidence, making it easy to bring even the smallest details to life. Speed is a highlight, ensuring that ideas take shape faster without compromising accuracy. Each project carries a refined finish that makes the end result feel professional, no matter the size or complexity. With this level of consistency, every print feels rewarding, turning casual experimentation into meaningful creations. One of the most appealing aspects is its ability to handle multiple colors, opening a new dimension in design possibilities. Whether you are producing decorative models, practical tools, or unique art pieces, the vibrant outcomes make every creation feel personalized and visually striking. The intelligent calibration and flow adjustments give assurance that the process will remain smooth, reducing stress and allowing you to focus purely on imagination. Its quiet operation adds to the comfort, making it suitable for use in a home, studio, or classroom environment without disruption. This transforms the printing process into something that feels seamless and natural, blending into daily life while still delivering outstanding results. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is more than just a machine. It feels like a creative partner that encourages exploration and delivers the satisfaction of seeing every vision turn into reality with remarkable quality. Number 5. Sovol SV06 ACE 3D Printer. The Sovol SV06 ACE 3D printer brings a sense of excitement to anyone who wants to see their creativity turned into reality with speed and precision. Its powerful structure and refined design are built to inspire confidence, whether you are starting your first project or expanding your skills with more complex models. Every print feels like an achievement, giving users the joy of watching ideas take shape effortlessly. With impressive speed, this printer makes the process quicker while still maintaining excellent detail and smooth finishes. This balance of efficiency and quality creates a rewarding experience, making it easy to experiment with new concepts without the stress of waiting endlessly for results. Each completed model feels polished and ready to impress, whether for personal use, education, or professional purposes. The direct drive system gives reliable performance that users can trust, delivering clean layers that reflect both consistency and stability. This reliability creates peace of mind, knowing that every attempt will bring outcomes that meet expectations. Its upgraded structure supports durability, ensuring the machine can handle frequent use while maintaining its performance. The added benefit of a built-in camera makes the process even more reassuring, allowing you to monitor prints with ease and stay connected to your projects. This thoughtful touch enhances convenience and reflects an understanding of what makers truly value in their workflow. The Sovol SV06 ACE is more than just a tool, it is an opportunity to express imagination, speed up progress, and experience the satisfaction of producing professional quality prints right at home or in a creative workspace.